What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm just doing a server update for my server rack and then just for the Rust server in total. So here's the main Rust server. Just, I showed it in the last video. Has 230 watt power supply and Xeon 4 core, 10 gigs of RAM. I just zip tied a fan on because that's the original heatsink that came with the stock Dell motherboard. Then just a regular freaking hard drive. And then above it, I have my Cisco Catalyst 2950. As you see, it is not hooked up yet because I think it's broken because it's not letting me set it up. So I'm about to buy a new one, but because I'm on my last Ethernet port on my router. And then here, I have the Rust server's going and it's working. See, riding Dayton's 5X, TP Tier 1 kits and stuff like that. That server's up. And then right here, I'm actually building this just a regular older PC. It's an HP Pavilion Slimline, which has 4 gigs of DDR2. I think it's a Pentium processor. It's pretty old, but I'm just going to be running a web server off that one, so it's not going to be too complicated. And then above that, I have a Sonicwall TZ210 firewall, which I still have to set up, which should be set up by the end of the day or tomorrow, because I do want to protect my internet, because I don't want someone DDoS us, because this is a home network. And I'm not the only one using the internet, so it's, once I get my new switch in, I'm probably going to be setting this up. So, yeah. And then I should be getting up another Rust server pretty soon. It's going to be, I think, a 2 to 3 times. And yeah, that's just going to be an old Dell desktop that I'm going to, make into a server. So that'll be my second Rust server. Then eventually I want to get 4 Rust servers and a Minecraft server. And then I'm going to buy another 48 port switch and another Sonicwall. But yeah, this one was put together with $78 for this. This I got free because I got the money back for broken, so if I can get it fixed, that'd be amazing. This I paid $12 for in total. This I got for free, someone gave it to me. Then the other desktop is over here. This is Dell with a 400 gig hard drive. Then the CD drive is just right there. So I still gotta get a Windows 10 on that. And once that's done, I'll be the third server I'll have up and running. So that would be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.